back to my channel. As in the previous lecture video, we have discussed that how to host our website for free with github.com, and I have said that we will be doing CSS in the next lecture, but I have forgotten that we are left with one lecture, and it is Capstone project. Our today's main lecture is Capstone project, and it is the last lecture video of HTML, and from onwards we will start our CSS video. So let's get started. Okay, so our today's main three questions, that what is a Capstone project, why is Capstone project important, and what to include in an HTML Capstone project. So first of all, what is Capstone project? So basically a Capstone project is a final project that brings together everything you have learned in this course. It's like a final test, but instead of answering questions, you will build a real project. It's also called capstone because it's like the last stone, capstone, placed on the top of the building, showing that the structure is complete. And in web development, capstone project usually means that creating a full web page or a small website using all the elements you have learned, like heading element, paragraph element, image element, list element, and links, organizing everything properly using nesting and indentation, sometimes even adding CSS and Java, but we haven't learned them, so we will not add it now. So this is the first question. Okay, now is the second question, that why is Capstone project important? So Capstone project is very important because they show that you understand how to use HTML in a real life, and they also help you to practice that what you have learned. You can also include them in your portfolio website. Teachers, mentors, or clients can see also your skills, and it's the best chance to prove yourself and to others that you are ready to build a website. Okay, what to include in an HTML capstone project? So let's say you are doing a capstone for an HTML course. What should you include? So you should include, first of all, there are list of things you should include. So the first number is HTML, HTML, comma, heading elements like the heading tag, the closing tags, and the body. Okay. The second one is H1 till H6, opening and closing tags for the headings. The third one is P, opening and closing tags for the paragraph, for the paragraphs. The fourth one is image, img, opening and closing tags for the images, to add images. The fifth one is A, for the links, to add a link. The sixth one is UL, opening and closing tag, or OL, opening and closing tag for the lists, unordered lists and ordered list. And fifth one I let it here. And the fifth one is div for the group content, to group content. So these are the some basic things or lists you need to include in your HTML capstone project. Okay, so how to start your own capstone project? So first of all, as we have discussed in the last lecture, that you have to go at their github.com, and from there you will copy paste. First of all, you will make your id on it, account on it, and after that you will copy paste the HTML portfolio files on that, and that everyone can see your projects and everyone can judge your skills. And you can also save that and check your codings every time. So that's for today's topic, and if you are working on one right now, share your idea in the comment, and if you need help or want to review your HTML code, I'm here to help. You can DM on my LinkedIn account or you can DM on my WhatsApp community. So like this video, subscribe to the channel and let me know that topic you need next. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.